Hello, in this video we'll be looking at past questions from SSCE and UTME. The first question: the account of a sole trader is important in order to A. Show the net profit or net loss. B. Prepare account for the owner of the business. C. Help business to have more customers. D. Prepare statement of account. The correct answer is option A, which is show the net profit or net loss. Of course, by now you should know that the reasons why we are preparing trading profit and loss account is to show the net profit or net loss of the business. Second question: one of the following should appear in the credit side of trading account. A. Cost of goods sold. B. Cost of goods available for sale. C. Sales. D. Sales return outward. A. Stationery. The correct answer is sales, because the first thing we will see in the trading profit and loss account at the credit side, the first thing we see is sales. Question 3. One of these is odd out. A. Goodwill. B. Land and building. C. Plant and machinery. D. Furniture and fitting. E. Debentures. The correct answer is option A, which is debentures. You will remember that in our fixed assets in balance sheet, debenture is under long-term liabilities, while all these that have been mentioned, goodwill, land and building, plant and machinery and furniture, are under fixed assets. 4. The addition of opening stock, purchase and carriage inward will give us A. Cost of goods available for sale. B. Gross profit. C. Closing stock. D. Net profit. The correct answer is A, which is cost of goods available for sale, because when you add opening stock, add purchase and carriage inward, it will give us cost of goods available for sale.